Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well today. In this video, we're going to focus on all the promos Blockfi currently has active. They actually have 3 that are currently active, and if you don't pay attention to the details, you don't pay attention to the dates, you'll overlook some key information that could prevent you from getting the bonus that you're entitled to. By watching this entire video, you'll greatly diminish your odds of missing out on a substantial promo bonus. Whether you're a potential new client of Blockfi or you've been using their service for quite some time now, you've come to the right place. I published at least monthly videos on Blockfi. I keep everything transparent, all the deposits, the account balance, the interest earned, everything is disclosed in that video. Lastly, in an effort to add more value to the service rendered, I recently started a passive income section in my newsletter, and I have an entire Discord channel dedicated to Blockfi Talk. So by following my work, not only are you going to get a tutorial, but you're going to get monthly videos and you're going to get ongoing support. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright, to get this video started, let's go over the Earn 2x promo that just recently launched. But before we do that, I just wanted to let you guys know I consolidated all the promo codes into the description below. This way you don't have to go fishing for them. They're all there in one spot. They're clearly organized. They give you a brief summary of what you need to do, what the requirements are, and how long the promo is active. Given that there are few promos, I wanted to make sure that there wasn't any ambiguity and uncertainty amongst the new clients. And I even took it a step further. For your convenience, I actually put this in all the descriptions across all the videos that I've ever published on Blockfi. This way, if you click on the playlist in the description below, or you click on the cards at the very end of the video because you want to learn more about Blockfi, there's absolutely no need to come back to this video. All my Blockfi videos will have a nice consolidated list of all the promo codes. Now coming back to the video, 2x is the newest promo. Only new clients are eligible. There's only 2 ways to receive this code, either by email invitation or clicking a specially embedded link like the one you see in the description. And to know for certain that you guys click the right link, after you guys click my link, it'll take you to this landing page. On this landing page, just click on Get 2x Now. It'll automatically populate your promo code for you. All you need to do is enter in your credentials. If you guys decide to choose this promo, make sure that you enroll between the dates of 7/6 to 7/18 of this year. And after you deposit your assets, you have to maintain that balance until 9/14/2020. And if you manage to do that on 9/15/2020, you'll receive a one-time bonus payment identical to the payment that you received in the August payout. Just to really drive home the point, let's say you deposit assets today using the promo link you guys see in the description below. On August 1st, you'll receive your prorated interest payment, and then you keep that balance for the entire month of August. On September 1st, you'll get your interest distribution for the month of August. And if you keep that balance at least until 9/14, on September 15th, you'll receive a one-time bonus that's identical to the payment that you received on September 1st. So in other words, you basically double the payment that you received for the month of August. As many of my longtime followers know, my dad, who happens to be retired, keeps some of his more liquid assets on Blockfi to earn passive income. For his interest account statement for the month of June, he received approximately $420. If he was eligible for the promo and he met all the requirements, he would have received a total of $820 for the month of August. Of course, this assumes that he had the same balance as he does right now. So for those of you that have unproductive assets that you want to put to work and generate some passive income for you, you guys might want to consider checking out Blockfi and taking full advantage of this promo opportunity. Next up, we have the P.B Promo, where you can get a bonus of $50 paid to you in Bitcoin. And to aid you guys in the sign-up process, I made it very easy for you guys. All you need to do is find the promo that you're interested in, click the link next to it, and you'll be redirected to this landing page. From here, click on Get Started. It'll redirect you to enter in your credentials, and you can see here under referral code, it's auto-populated the referral code. This means you're on the right track and you've taken all the right initial steps to be eligible for the $50 bonus. This particular promo started last month on June 15th, and it's going to continue until 7/16/2020. To be eligible, you have to be a brand new client of Blockfi. You have to sign up with the referral code. You have to deposit at least $500 worth of assets into any Blockfi wallet, and you have to hold it there until August 16, 2020. If you fulfill all these conditions on August 17, 2020, you'll receive your promo bonus of $50 paid to you in Bitcoin. Now for the third and final bonus, if you don't have $500 or you're not willing to risk $500, you just want to put a couple $100 in to test out the platform, just click the link in the description below. You'll be directed to this landing page, and after getting click get started, you'll be sent to this page where the referral link will auto-populate. So basically follow the exact same steps as you did with the previous promo code. And if you hold your original balance there until the following interest payment day, you'll qualify for a bonus. Both you and the person who referred you will both get at least $10 paid in Bitcoin. And to wrap this video up, I just want to introduce you guys to this newsletter. For anybody out there that likes passive income, whether it's to achieve financial freedom, or maybe you just want to put unproductive assets to work. Either way, I think you guys should consider signing up for this newsletter. There's a paid version and a free version, but as you can see, even in the free version, you're given a lot of information. My buddy, he basically has a few platforms that he uses, he tracks his progress, and he documents it in this newsletter. Not only that, but we give you the right tools to make sure you optimize your experience on these lending platforms. One of the many tools that we offer you is this rate calculator. There's quite a few platforms that we track. The purpose of this calculator is to make sure people know that they're getting a fair market rate for the assets they have deposited on the various lending platforms. And just in case you forget to look at the rate calculator, I'm going to be sending you an email like this every Saturday, giving you an update of new platforms, of notable rate changes. That way you're kept in the loop and you're given constant reminders. And on top of all that, if you wanted to interface with me directly, or you wanted to interface with like-minded individuals, people who use the Blockfi platform, you guys are more than welcome to join my Discord channel. Over the last few months, it's grown into a very robust community. All of us come from different backgrounds, but we have a lot of overlapping interests. So if you're interested in joining a community of like-minded individuals, I strongly encourage you guys to check out this Discord channel. You can sign up by clicking the link in the description below, but make sure you move fast. It's only going to be active for the first 25 clicks, after which the link expires. And the link to the newsletter is right next to the Discord link. Just enter your email address in and click subscribe and you're ready to go. Well, that pretty much wraps things up. If you guys enjoyed your time, do me a huge favor by liking this video, commenting down below, and subscribing to this channel. This is CryptoOneStop signing out. I'll talk to you folks next time. Bye.